So this morning I'm going to do these bags. They will get a drawstring to close like this. It's for this church close by me. They ordered some shirts. They've got a Christmas event, and they ordered some shirts and shorts from us, and then they actually already paid for everything. I'm going to do the print the shirts next week, but then they said they need 30-40 bags. So I said we'll just sponsor the bags for them. They are supplying some toiletries and stuff to one of the homes in the area. You see, now I make a mistake here because this is a separate bag. So we said we'll just give it to them, and then you know, at least because they do order quite a bit from us from time to time. So we might as well sponsor them the bags, and in any case it's for a good cause. These and it's not a lot, it's just 40 bags in any case, and I bought extra. The plan was in any case to sponsor some bags for them, but then the lady came back and she said no, when I deliver, I decided to make the bags, and then I thought when I deliver the other goods I'll just give it to them. And then she came back later and she asked me how much we charge for the bag. So I said no, we'll just give it to you, and you can then take it more. So we're going to do these bags quickly. There's some other sewing work that we have to do. Moses will do that on Friday for another lady. But it's a lovely day today again. We've had so much rain. A lot of rain here. Normally we get a lot of rain, but the past summer or so, the rain has really been not that good. But all the vegetables we planted are doing very well. So these bags are really easy to make. They're lovely. Usually with the printing, because they're not expensive, usually with the printing what I do is I just do these bags for the clients as well, and they love these bags. No, you just give it to them. I'm just not sure what is going on here, but I'm going to cut straight here. But these ones are a little bit like this. Otherwise the back I can't, because I still need to use, but this looks very small to me. My plan is actually to get as many bags as possible out of this material, but this looks very small to me. Let me see later on. Not to waste material. Just want to see here. The thing with this, with this fleece, what happens is the fleece stretches. So your bag can be, you see this bag is a little bit big, but it doesn't matter. They must just, I think this will be fine. I will just use this one to cut them again. So they might not all be exactly the same size, but you can't see it because this fabric stretches, and as long as I just more or less, I want to keep a bit of the red. I've got yellow as well. I am busy with red pants for the client, and it's a large, and I'm just worried that if that large doesn't fit, I must be able to do an extra large out of it. Let me check here. So I think it should be fine. Let me see how many bags I've got here. Now they want 40, but they won't be 40 here. I'll have to use the yellow then. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 bags here. No, it's wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 bags here. I wonder how many I will get out of this red, because I'm going to do yellow as well. I've got lots of yellow here as well that I will do. So let me do, let me check. I think she said she needs 17, I think she said 17 boys and 23 boys and 17 girls. So what I'll do is I'm just going to I'll just do it like this. I'll cut, if that pants doesn't fit, I'll go and buy extra, but let me cut this then, the red, and then the rest I will do yellow. In any case, it doesn't matter the colors, because I'm not going to go and buy red for the rest now, because we've got we've got enough here now first for this. I think if we do the yellow, it will also be fine. In any case, these bags are lovely. I think I will have to buy string. I'm not going to have enough string, but I'll buy when I go there again. It's just I want to cut these bags and finish the work today, so that we can continue with this work. In any case, it goes extremely fast. The moment you start sewing, now these bags are a little bit big, but let us leave them like this. In any case, when we put the string, it becomes smaller. Okay. Yeah, so we've had lots of rain here. We normally don't get so much rain. We normally get a lot of rain, but the past summer, 2 summers, it's been quiet. But now, for the first time now in a long time, we've got this beautiful rain coming on here. And the vegetables just love it. The vegetables are growing very well. Just good. Okay. This side, and then we do the other one and see how many there are now. And then we'll make a decision. But I will have to do the yellow. But I just want to make sure that at least for one group, so then she can make a decision how they want to do this. Do they want to give the one part to the boys and the other part to the girls? I'm actually not sure everything. She did send me WhatsApp messages, but I'm not really involved with them, and I just do the work for them. So I don't always know. I don't really know these people. I just do the work. But in any case, apparently they've got this feeding scheme, and so yeah. So we'll just give it to them. The delivery date is only, they're not in a hurry. They said the event is on the 12th, but so the delivery date, I will deliver to them next week, but I still need to, the one lady wants a skirt. I'm not sure what's going on there, because I must pay for the skirt, and I haven't taken any measurements. So I think when I deliver all this stuff, I'll go and do the measurements. This one is a little bit smaller now. Okay, it doesn't matter. Let's see how many we got out of here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's 18 here. So I think she said it was 17 and 23. So let me check here on the, I can open it up here. I just want to see here, and I can make a decision if this thing opens up. I can just see, but I think she said 17 and 23. How many is that? It's 30. 40. I think that's going to be too many. It's 22 boys and 17 girls. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there's enough for the girls. So now I'm just going to cut the ones that she wants for the boys. And she said 23. I'll sew the red ones first, and then I'll change the thread again so that these packs looks nice when they receive it. I'm not printing it for them because you know, the printing in any case, she didn't ask that I print something on them, but that I just want to but I think I'm definitely going to short string here, so I'll have to go and buy string. So this is nice. I think really a great day today. So what I want to do is I want to, that red ones I think is fine, but I want to remeasure quickly and make sure that we are okay here. It doesn't matter if I go right onto the selvage here. So it must be one from the selvage here. So let me a little bit to that side. So we want it to be, we still need to fold it over. So we cut it here, 1 centimeter more or less. For the seam allowance, and then this is where it's going to get folded over like that. Perfect. So I think the yellow should be enough, more than enough. In any case, there is now extra. I think that other one says 18, and then there's now I'll just keep it double like this for now. And it's going to be easier to cut. Here it is, lovely. Okay, so let me keep this one as a sample. Then I can use that every time I cut. Okay. Okay, so let me see. Both are the same. There we go. I still have the guayabera to do. And that guayabera, I've started cutting, but it needs my attention when I do that. Those shirts. So it's 2 of them that I need to do. So it really, that stuff, when you do that work, you need to concentrate and you need to make sure that everything, but I am going to make videos out of it. Definitely. We're going to make a video there. of all the steps so that I have them, make sure that we have them there and they are, that guayabera will look good. So we'll make a separate video of all of that. So yeah, it might take time cutting, but once you are finished, you can just sit there by the machines, because with these ones, you just sit there and you do all the sewing at once, quickly, and because we're going to do some overlocking as well, and I think these ones looks better than the red ones. They are more straight. A little bit better. With this fleeces, it stretches, so if you don't cut on a table that doesn't stretch, you're going to have troubles like you see here now. But my table isn't smooth. I use it for my printing as well. So I'm going to finish here now. I'm going to cut the last ones. I'm going to switch off the video and then just finish the last bags, and then maybe when we start sewing we'll switch it on again.